Hey guys, so here's a quick little tip. For the past few years, I've been using metal nail polish racks to keep my small size gel colors nice and organized, easy to see, easy to reach. But as you can see, I ran out of space. I had two racks. I think I originally purchased them from Ross or Marshalls. But now that I'm not going to the stores because of the pandemic, I went online to Amazon and I found this. It is an acrylic nail polish rack. It's 7 rows, and I was like, oh wow, that's perfect. There's more than enough space. So here I am placing in my gel colors, various sizes, and I'm also even adding my chocolate candy colors. A lot of people ask me what brand I use. I use Artisan Accent and Chef Master. So I'm placing them all in. It's nice and roomy. I just love it. Took forever to put together, but it's worth it. And here is the finished rack all filled up, and I still have space on my other two racks for more colors. Hope it was helpful.